Go break a speaker real fast, bro.
Thank you.
By the way, you stole that speaker from me like 4 years ago.
He's looking at this. Javier, he's looking. He says his music.
Yeah, it's his prized possession. Here we have a Lamborghini SVJ. This is a beautiful color. This is a factory matte white color, okay? So it has a clear bra on there. However, the customer just bought the car like this, and the clear bra wasn't done properly. Really, the reason why is if you get a pre-cut vinyl, there's gonna be a lot of areas like edges and stuff that the pre-cut vinyl is not gonna reach. And you're gonna have them all open. And that defeats the whole purpose of a clear bra because the rocks could literally attack those edges and get rock chips. On top of it, dirt could fill up, especially on the rear end because it shoots up a lot of dirt. And dirt will go between the edges and it'll look much worse, especially on a bright white car like this. Secondly, they did not clear bra the inside of the bumper. So all these little white things you see here are all rock chips. This car is very low, it's very sharp, and people drive it fast. This area gets destroyed every time on the SVJ. Nobody clear bras these because the prices they charge, they don't remove anything, and they cannot clear bra this without removing all this stuff. So we took the bumper off. We're gonna be taking all this off. We're gonna be repainting this in-house in our spray booth over there. And we're gonna be fixing this. Normally, we would get a new bumper. However, because this is part of the bumper, FYI, this is not another piece, this is one piece. However, since it is the factory matte white paint, we don't want to mess with blending anything on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and use our special body man Luis, and we're gonna fix all this. This is not carbon fiber, by the way, this is just plastic. So we're gonna fix it nice, entirely, paint it. It's all gonna look brand new. We'll show you guys when it's done, and then we're gonna put it all back. We're also gonna re-clear bra the whole car. Like I said, it's a beautiful SVJ, and it deserves to be in good condition. So yeah, we're gonna get this car done.
All right, put some nice wheels on this Mercedes. Some lowering links. We gotta go for a test drive so the suspension goes down again. Yeah, it's up right now. It's gonna go down, right? What goes up must come down, baby.
Okay, the bumper is finished.
Oh,
Okay, I'm wearing my pizza.
nice.
That one is done. These two.
That was fast.
Okay,
Fast. That's why it looks like shit.
see? Okay, I'm wearing my pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, Papayo? I don't know why other places no color sign. Good.
Oh, somebody else painted
Yeah,
it?
Somebody paid before. Okay.
Somebody else did that, and they did a terrible job. And of course, we get all the comebacks.
Two pizzas. One for this, one for bumper.
That's fine. That's it. It's done.
Yes, huh?
Nice. Good
It's
job.
not getting you pizza. Look at that face.
Oh, I'll get it.
Yeah. He ordered already.
You already ordered it?
Yeah, he ordered already.
I'll get it.
Every week I follow up.
Now you're a real man.
No, versus customers. Any use light. Editor.
It's a Lamborghini candle. I don't have a Lamborghini candle. Ah.
Oh, that's Gloria. It's a Glenda number.
What is that?
It's a champagne Lamborghini.
That's nice.
If Luis was doing the Widebody right now, he would have stole all this.
I know. I'll take it. Because they're going to do the same pieces. New design for body kits.
We are inside the Urus Performante. A few episodes ago, you guys saw us receive this vehicle, and we are prepping it for the wide body kit. This is going to be the first one we do of the 2023 model Performante. It will be the only one in the world because we are developing the kit with 1016 very quickly. They already had scanned this vehicle at another show actually when the car got released many months ago. We're going to be getting the 3D printed parts here shortly where we could test fit on the car, and do any changes, any modifications, and then send them out to production right away. So these cars just came out. I still don't know anybody else that's driving one around town. I know maybe there's a few out there, but I personally don't know anybody, especially in the West. I know this was the first car that the dealer here got. It's a beautiful spec. It's a metallic yellow color, and it does have all the carbon options, thank God. So it has the full carbon fiber roof. It has the carbon hood exposed. It has carbon fiber on all the trims outside. Literally, there is no plastic trims on the outside. It's all carbon fiber. It has all this beautiful matte carbon on the interior, as well as obviously this entire Alcantara interior. Literally everything is Alcantara inside this car. I like it. The only problem with Alcantara, wears out fast, so hopefully they don't wear out very fast. No glass roof, which I'm super jealous about because it has the Urus pattern in the middle, and you could even do stars in this, and you could have all stars if you want. As a Urus lover and driver for, man, almost 3 years actually. My car is gonna be about 3 years since I had it, and I could tell you guys truthfully what this car is all about and how it drives compared to that. This car has no air suspension. That's right off the bat probably the biggest really change mechanically. I'm a huge lover of the air suspension, and I know they took it off because of weight savings and maybe a little bit more racy suspension because this does have the rally mode. I still like the air suspension because I could go really high and I could go back down to sport mode, which is low. This car looks like it's always in sport mode, so it is lower than the regular Urus in Strada mode, so it is lower. However, when we do the wide body on it, it should be low enough, but if we want to lower more, we're gonna have to develop some springs for it. So sadly, we can't just adjust it with air, which is super easy. Other than that, it feels a little bit more quicker and nimble than a stock pre-generation Urus. The Urus with a tune like mine is definitely faster than this still. However, this thing in stock form is pretty fast. And you guys already know, a lot of people, previous generation Urus, everybody said it needs a wide body, stock doesn't look as aggressive as it needs. This car solves that, not fully, but a little bit. I think it still needs wide body, but it is a little bit more aggressive than the old generation. The front bumper is a little bit soft. I think if you paint some stuff on the front bumper, it'll look more aggressive, but it has too much black on the front bumper in my opinion as well. Wheels are pretty cool for what they are, but of course you guys know RDB wheels are the way to go, so we're gonna change that. The rear end bumper is now one piece with the diffuser, and it protrudes out a little bit, giving a nice little touch, which I do also like. I even called the dealer to find out how much to get that to put on my car, and you guys wouldn't believe that. Just that rear bumper, which is not even carbon. Automobile, did you know that Sparco makes all of Lamborghini's carbon fiber?
No,
Yeah. Sparco.
Yeah, we can wait, I guess. That's fine.
So Lamborghini's make them?
Damn. Like a classic.
Rock on, dude.
Yeah, it's classic.
My favorite X5 body.
That's your favorite?
Can you hear the Santos?
Yeah, please. Go drive his car. Your balls go take it.
No, Messi has one more delivery. They changed. He was going somewhere else. Came here first. I swear. I called and he was going somewhere else.
Hey, this is his own car though. Don't they have their own cars?
This is his own car, I think.
Yeah, why isn't he driving the whatever?
Thank you, bro.
He's gonna steal your car, but not
It takes you this long to put on a battery?
Help him. You don't know
Should
how.
have been done already.
You don't know how.
Oh, he doesn't?
No, I don't.
My phone.
There's
I
a comment
can
that said that
read
the guy-
comments. I don't know how.
Hey man, I'm talking.
I'm sorry.
Why you do that?
Oh, because
Jesus, that's rude.
I say sorry.
you
I
say
say sorry.
Hate on YouTuber.
I say sorry.
Okay. You said it like 100 times.
Yeah, but you don't listen my sorries. Sorry,
Because that's
sorry,
how I
sorry.
felt when you were talking and I was talking.
I'm sorry again. Never gonna happen again.
You're so sweet.
I think was big.
My name is not Big.
I'm talking about you.
Is there another Big? You know?
You. You know, it's talking about you. Idiot. Who are you talking about me? How he knows I'm talking about him? Talking about big. Oh, you said what?
It's a very strong battery. Get your super enhanced batteries at RDB.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.